name is John Binis Makato. Rule 1 Application. A. This rule shall apply to vessels upon the high seas and in all water connected therewith navigable by seagoing vessels. B. Nothing in these rules shall interfere with the operation of special rules made by an appropriate authority for road state, harbor, rivers, lakes, or inland waterways connected with the high seas and navigable by seagoing vessels. Such special rules shall conform and closely as possible to the rules. C. Nothing in these rules shall interfere with the operation of any special rules made by the government of any state with respect to additional station or signal lights, ships of vessel, signals for ship of war and vessel proceeding under convoy or with respect to additional station or signal light or ships for fishing vessels engaged in fishing as a fleet. This additional station or signal light, ship or vessel signal shall so far as possible be such that they cannot be mistaken for any light, ship or signal authorized elsewhere under these rules. D. Traffic expiration seems may be adopted by the organization for the purpose of these rules. E. Whenever the government concerned shall have determined that a vessel